Are you taking the Praxis 5023 Interdisciplinary Early Childhood Educational Test with the subtopic Educational and Service Requirements for Children with a Range of Abilities and Special Needs? If so, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm a retired teacher and test prep expert here at study.com. I'm going to walk you through some of the problems you may see. So let's get started. Problem 1. In an interdisciplinary approach to service delivery, what is the primary purpose of regular team meetings? So we're talking about service delivery for providing services for students. So we're talking, this has to be student-centered. So choice A would be eliminated because it's talking about the budget, to allocate the budget for the different services offered. So that's not the purpose of an interdisciplinary approach to service delivery or working with different stakeholders in the school. So choice A is eliminated. Choice C, to decide who is in charge of the team. So that would be something that would just be a separate meeting for the organization of the group, but not talking about service delivery for students. Same thing with choice B, to ensure all team members are working the same hours would be eliminated because we're not worried about how much we're working here. We're working about what services we're providing to the students. And the correct answer would be choice D, to discuss the child's progress and adjust strategies if necessary. Problem 2. According to IDEA, a child must be reevaluated for special education services, A, every 2 years, B, every 6 months, C, every 3 years, or D, every year. So first off, what is the IDEA? It's the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, and what we're doing is we're seeing if they qualify for special education services. So we want enough of a time period so that the program can have its effect on the student. So I'm going to eliminate any choice that's too short of a time frame. So choice B is every 6 months. So that's too short of a time frame to evaluate, and every year is too short of a time frame. And actually the correct answer is every 3 years. So every 2 years again is not long enough. So we want 3 years in a program where we can go and then do a reevaluation and testing to see if the student no longer needs services. Problem 3. What is one of the primary characteristics of a student with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD? Is it A, lack of empathy, B, difficulty maintaining focus, C, sensitivity to light and sound, or D, physical clumsiness? So what is ADHD? Well, it is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by difficulty paying attention, excessive activity, or difficulty controlling behavior which is not appropriate for a person's age. So I'm going to eliminate choice D to start, physical clumsiness. So students with ADHD are sometimes your better coordinated, better athletically talented kids. So I'm going to eliminate choice D. Sensitivity to light and sound, I'm going to eliminate choice C. It's not necessarily a physical problem where they're sensitive with their eyes or their ears. It's more neurological. So between A and B, so A is lack of empathy. So a lot of times students with ADHD, lack of empathy is not a characteristic. That might be more of a characteristic for a student with an emotional impairment. So the correct answer, which falls directly into a characteristic, would be difficulty maintaining focus. So choice B. Problem 4. A child in your classroom has a hearing impairment. Which assistive technology would be most appropriate for this student? Is it A, magnifying software, B, tactile graphics, C, an FM system, or D, speech recognition software? We have to remember now it's a hearing impairment. So choice A has to do with visual impairment, and I would say choice B, tactile graphics, would also be for students with a visual impairment. Choice D, speech recognition software. So this may be for a student that needs an accommodation with their writing where they can dictate and have it write it out for them. So that wouldn't necessarily mean it's a hearing impairment. So I'm going to eliminate choice D. So in this case here, the correct answer is C, using an FM system to amplify the sound to eliminate background noise would be the most appropriate technology, assistive technology for the student. That concludes our walkthrough of Praxis 5023, Educational and Service Requirements for Children with a Range of Abilities and Special Needs. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.